Hello.
Recording in progress.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Right, could you please confirm your full name for me?
Saud Javed.
Thank you. And what is your date of birth, please?
It's 1st April 1999.
Thank you. And could you please show me your passport as we need to do identity check?
Okay.
Could you also please show me the room as we need to check if you are alone for the interview time? Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
I apologize. I think there was some internet connection from my side. Could you also show me the passport? My name is Justina, and I'm representing the University of the West of Scotland and Education Group, and today I'm going to conduct your credibility interview. Your passport is perfectly fine. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Could you please confirm for what course you applied for?
I have applied for the Master of Public Administration.
Master of Public Administration. And for which intake and which campus, please?
It is for the September intake. The campus is London campus, and the intake is 2025 September.
Thank you. And could you please tell me a little bit more about your educational background and work experience, if you have any? And why did you decide to study MPA?
Okay. I am an optometrist, a vision specialist. I have completed my education from University of Lahore in Pakistan in the field of Doctor of Optometry, which is regarding treating and managing patients regarding the eye problems. So during my studies, I was working with optical shops to gain my experience, and I was doing some eye camps in the remote and village areas for the screening purposes. From there, I got this interest in the MPA course, as our teacher was had completed the MPA course, so he was arranging all these awareness and session camps for the. They have gone these policies in their in our course structure. So from there I got some interest. After completing my education, I started my independent eye setup in Peshawar, in my home village, in a remote area. So from the past 3 years I have been doing that. So after completing my education and having enough experience in my relevant field, I am kind of looking forward to MPA now in my future.
And thank you. And why you need this specific degree, please?
Well, this specific degree of Master in Public Administration focuses on how leaders may serve their community well, and it really focuses on these specific policies that we can make regarding the health issues that we have here in Pakistan. So it's my main motive of choosing MPA over any other specific field.
So, and what is your plan after graduation?
Well,
and what kind of skills you're gonna learn from the degree that's gonna help you for your future career goals?
Well, my plan after my degree is to gain some experience up there with the professors, if I got some chance there to learn in the non-Western setting, to have my experience over there. After that, I would be coming back here, as it will help me in my career growth options, and I would be try to look for a job in the public administration sector or in the health organizations, so I can make some policy changes, or if I make some good policies regarding the health, which will help both the patients and doctors and overall community overall.
So how this qualification will help you to achieve those goals? What you're gonna learn? What kind of skills that's gonna help you to get those positions you just mentioned?
Well, I have thoroughly read the modules of this Master in Public Administration, and there was the public comparative public policy process and issues, which I can really make it into work up here in Pakistan. There are many gaps in our policies which can be corrected very easily. For example, if we say there is a specific disease like cataract, which is operated on like 400 to 500 pounds per operation, which can be easily reduced to £10 per operation, but it needs a policy change which will eventually help the doctors to gain more benefit from the operations and also help the patients at the same time. So that's kind of thing I am looking for to make the policy in our settings. So it will overall help me also to boost up my career overall.
Thank you. And could you please tell me a little bit more about the course itself? You decided to study in London campus. So let's start with the modules. Could you please tell me how many core modules you have?
Well, I've thoroughly read the modules. There were about 12 modules, so I have just thoroughly read it. Some of the modules are the professional project, comparative public administration and management, comparative public policy process and issues, and governing the environment. I've read this, and the specific module which I am interested is in the comparative public administration and management, where I can really work.
Thank you. And could you please tell me about the module governing the environment? What is the module about?
Well, I've just thoroughly read it. It's governing the environment. It means making policies regarding the which is kind of good or better for the environment.
Thank you. And could you please tell me about the module international migration?
No, I've just thoroughly read it, so I don't have any idea of this module.
Thank you. And which module do you think it's going to be the most challenging for you?
Well, the most challenging would be the public administration in the non-Western settings, as I don't have any idea regarding the non-Western settings, so it would be kind of challenging for me.
Thank you. And could you please tell me about teaching methods and assessment at UWS?
Well, they focus more on the practical assessment, like the presentations and giving assignments. So it would be kind of very helpful for me to gain some practical knowledge up there. So as it's comparison from Pakistan, where they have some written modules of assessments and not anymore. So it was kind of very good for me.
And how about teaching methods
Well, the
at UWS?
Well, the teaching methods of UWS is like presentations and the assessments and assignments. Yeah.
Thank you. And could you please tell me, are you planning to work in the UK?
Will you repeat the question, ma'am?
Are you planning to work in the UK doing your studies?
Well, if I get a job relevant to my work, like the public administration, if I got a chance to work with a professor as an assistant, so I would be, because it would be boosting up my career. Other than that, I don't have any plan to work.
And do you know how many hours per week you can work as a student in the UK?
Well, it's 20 hours per week, I guess.
Thank you. And so could you please tell me 5 reasons why you decided to study in the UK?
Well, UK offers a very well-structured and well-compact one-year master's course, other than the many countries which offer two-year master's course. And also it's an English-speaking country, and their degree is well recognized, and it will help me better to boost up my career in the future. So it's the reason to choose UK or any other country.
And why did you decide to study at UWS?
Well, UWS, specifically its location is in London, so London is kind of a destination I always wanted to visit. And also, the UWS is one of the best university that I have searched. It's a public university, so their teaching method and their assessment method is very good. And one of my friend is currently studying up there, so I got a positive review from his side. So it's the main reason I have chosen UWS University.
So your friend is studying at UWS?
Yes.
Thank you. And could you please tell me, did you apply for any other universities in the UK?
Well, I have applied in the MPH course, but later on I discussed with my teachers and professionals, and they told me that you should look for an MPA degree because it will help you boost up your career in the more positive and better way. So I decided to
So
take.
at which mhm. So
Sorry,
at which university did you apply?
it's the London Metropolitan University.
Metropolitan.
Yeah,
And what was the full name of the course?
it was the Master of Public Health.
Master of Public Health.
Yeah,
And what was the fees?
the fee was round about 15,000 after scholarship.
15,000 after scholarship.
Yeah,
And before, do you remember?
yeah, it's 17,000.
17,000. And why you didn't apply for this course?
Well,
Master of Public Health.
well, as I told you earlier, that I have discussed it with my teachers and mentors, and they have suggested me if you can find the MPA course, that would be a better opportunity for you. So it's the main reason I have selected this MPA course.
Thank you. And did you apply for any other university or just Metropolitan University?
Metropolitan
Or did you consider any other universities?
No, I haven't applied or considered any university.
Thank you. And could you please tell me, did you do the research about the accommodation in the UK?
Yeah, the university, I guess, provide the accommodation, and also there are some private accommodations nearby, so I can look for. I have discussed it even with my consultant, and he said that it won't be a problem for you in finding accommodation in London.
And do you have any address you can share with me about the accommodation?
No, I haven't searched any address for the accommodation. I was worried about the interview first, so that I can secure my spot up here. So I would be looking after that for my accommodation.
Thank you. Thank you. And what can you tell me about the UWS campus? Where the campus is located? Which part of London? Do you know?
Well, it's the I have thoroughly read it. It's the E14 CL, Aberfeldy Village in London, I guess.
What? Sorry, what village?
Aberfeldy. I'm pronouncing it, I guess, wrong. Aberfeldy Village.
And do you know the exact address of the campus?
No, I don't. I'm kind of weak in knowing the addresses.
Thank you. And could you please tell me what kind of facilities university is offering for international students?
Well, they have a separate council for the students, specifically the international students. If we face any difficulties in paying our fees or any other matter that we have, like the homesickness, if students are facing, so they have these facilities for students up there. So students don't face such difficulties because of these facilities up there.
Thank you. And could you please tell me a little bit more about your family background? Are you living with your parents?
Yeah, I live with my parents.
Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have one sister and two brothers.
Are they living with you and your parents?
Yeah, they are living with me.
And what your sister is doing for living, please?
Sister is a government teacher. One brother is also a government employee, a teacher, and the other is working in a private institute. All are teachers basically. My mother was a teacher even.
So you mentioned your mother was a teacher, and what is her occupation now?
Well, she's no more among us, so.
Thank you. And could you please tell me what your father is doing for living?
Well, my father is retired from the meteorological department, the weather updates department. So I'm the I will be sponsoring my studies for myself at the moment.
So you sponsor your studies?
Yes. Sorry.
Hello,
ma'am.
can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. It was, I guess,
No
problem from my side.
No worries. So you mentioned about your mother, you mentioned about your father, and also the fact that you're gonna sponsor your studies. So could you please tell me how much money you have for your education in the UK?
Well, I have savings of like 25,000 pounds, and currently I am earning 3 to 4,000 pounds per month in my clinic. And after uh, even pursuing my studies, I won't be closing up my clinic, so I will be sponsoring my studies from up here.
Hmm. So you have your own savings. Your monthly income is 3,000, around 3,000, 4,000. And what is your annual income, please?
Well, annual income is like about 36,000 pounds. There are some special seasons where we can earn more, but after calculating the income tax and other structures, so we have around about the savings of 30,000 or something. As it's a business, so
And for how
I cannot tell you the
and
exact figure.
for how long you were saving that 35,000 pounds?
Well, I have started this clinic 3 years before. So I in the first year I was like on the base level of my profit. In the next year I started my profit of about 20,000 to 25,000 somewhere, and the last year I got 36,000 pounds profit.
Hmm. So approximately for how long did you were saving that 35,000? It was like 1 year, 2 years,
Yeah,
few months,
it's like 1.5 year.
1.5 year. Thank you. And what is your bank name, please?
My bank name is Mizan Bank.
Mizan.
Yeah.
And what bank account is that? Is it savings? Is it a current fixed deposit?
It's a current account. Well, I have two
Current.
main accounts. One is the Mizan Bank and other is the UBL Bank.
Hmm. And which one you're gonna use for your CAS and for your visa?
Well, I'm going to use Mizan Bank for the bank statement, and for paying up my fee, I have some savings in the UBL Bank also.
Thank you.
Both banks offer different facilities here, so I have to uh, keep both of banks updated here. So
Thank you. And could you please tell me about your visa history? Have you ever traveled outside Pakistan?
yeah, I have traveled to Saudi Arabia once. It was for our visit purpose.
And no visa refusal in the past?
Will you repeat the question, ma'am?
Have you ever received a visa refusal?
No, no, ma'am. I don't have any refusal yet.
But you only traveled to Saudi Arabia, is that correct?
Yes, it's in 2022.
And do you have any family in the UK?
No, I don't have any family member in UK. Just your few friends.
And could you please tell me, is your bank statement mature?
Yeah, I have mature bank statement.
And did you do your TB test?
No, I haven't done my TB test yet. I was waiting for
Not
the
yet.
interview first.
Thank you. So this is all I wanted to ask you today. Thank you very much for your time. What's gonna happen next? I'm gonna write the report and then I'm gonna update your agent about the outcome of this interview.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Recording stopped.